All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Happy Monday for me. I don't know when this video will go out, but out here trying to cut, and it's raining. We've done about 9 so far. It's only 11:51, so that's pretty good. We're gonna try to get it in the best we can, work around this rain, but we'll see what we can do, and I'll keep you guys updated. Call this hill of death. One wrong move, we're going down it. Doesn't look as steep in the video, but it's super steep. All right, it's about 1:30 now. Wrapped up mowing, and now I'm gonna go get some bushes trimmed that I need to get trimmed, and then we'll update from there. In the comments, let me know if you guys like the trimming videos. Here's the bushes we're trimming. Ripping this dead one out here and trim the rest of these. Okay guys, that's a wrap on the video. We got those bushes trimmed, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you could like, comment, subscribe, that'd be great, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.